Hi, this is Brenda Meller with Meller Marketing. Today's LinkedIn strategy tip involves your company page on LinkedIn. And if you're a company page admin, you've probably noticed that there's a notification that doesn't happen on our company page that happens on our personal page on LinkedIn. So what I'm referring to here is on your personal activity feed on LinkedIn, you may notice this notification icon here, and we will get notifications if people tag us in a post, if they reply, if they comment and mention us in a comment, we get notifications. Now, if you're a company page admin, you don't get those same notifications externally on LinkedIn or even through your homepage feed. You actually have to log in to LinkedIn and go to your company page, and then you're going to notice this top menu bar where it says Home, Content, Analytics, and Activity. Now you'll see here under Activity I have a 5 with a little red circle around it. That means there are 5 notifications I have on my company page right now. So if you're an admin, I highly recommend you check this activity at least once a week, if not maybe every other business day. So now go ahead and click on Activity, and you're going to notice that along the left-hand panel it says Social Notifications, and it's going to break them out. So it says Show All, 5 new, it says Reactions, 1 new, Shares if there were to be any, there aren't at this time, Comments, 1 new, and Mentions, 3 new. So I really want to make sure that you're using all of these notifications to maximize your visibility of your company page. One question I am frequently asked is, how do I get more page followers? How do I use my company page as a business development tool? And what you need to do is make sure that you are paying attention to community engagement. So on LinkedIn, when people follow our company page, we cannot see who those followers are. Once upon a time we could, but LinkedIn removed the ability to see those. So now the only way we can see who is following our company page is when they self-identify themselves, and they do so when they like a post or they comment on a post or they share your company page posts. So there really is some nice business development opportunities within those notifications. Now, I like to do this at least once or twice a week, and this really does help to grow my followers. It speaks to my community. It lets them know that I'm paying attention and listening to their updates. And the analogy I like to use on a company page on LinkedIn is that when you're thinking about your personal profile versus your company page, when people are connecting with you personally on LinkedIn, they may be doing so in order to just learn more about what you're posting. They may have met you in an event and it feels like the right professional thing to do, or there may be a potential interest in your business, but we're not sure if and when that will ever come to fruition. Now on your company page, however, when they follow a company page, it's basically them raising their hand that is saying, yes, I am interested in learning more about your company. And that to me feels like business development, don't you think? So here's what I would do. I go into my activity feed and I look at my notifications, and I'm just going to go through these one by one. So Reactions, 1 new. And when I see those reactions, I could click on where it says Andy Foote and 6 others reacted to my company update. I click on that, it opens this in a new window, which is really nice. And now I can go through and I can actually just click on the number 7, and I can see who it was that reacted to the post. It's categorizing all 7, or I can break out the 5 that are the likes and the 2 that are the applause, and those are me and my company. Perfectly fine to do so. So the 5 that have liked the post, I'm just scrolling through here and I see first, and I see this person is a second level connection. If I feel that that person might be a good connection to add, then I would take a moment, visit their profile, and send them an invitation to connect. I am not going to mention their interaction on this post, however. Okay, so that covers the reactions. Next, I would click on shares, and same exercise here. I'm going to click to see who has shared my company update. In this case, I've already done so, I believe, on Carrie's here. I've already made a comment, and I've liked the share, and then I've commented with 5 or more words, and I've said, thanks for sharing this along, Carrie. Okay, so Carrie is going to get acknowledgement. She's going to feel good because she knows that I saw that she shared it. Next, let's look at comments. So clicking on comments, I see that I have 1 new, and I have actually tagged an organization in my company page update, and they have replied back, and they've thanked me. So I'm going to click to go and see that comment now. This is going to take me to the post itself. I'm going to scroll down and see that this organization, Together Digital, that I have tagged above, saw the notification and they have mentioned love this topic. I'm going to do the same activity here. I'm going to like it, And then I'm going to reply with 5 or more words. And 5 or more is really key because it helps to stimulate engagement and kind of keep that post hanging out in the homepage feed a little longer and more people see it. So now they're going to get a notification back that I have replied and they know that I have acknowledged their comment. So comments, reactions, and shares, all of these things are gifts. And what do we do when we get a gift? We should acknowledge it and, if possible, send a thank you note. So I like to do that for comments and shares. I will thank people for sharing it along. I will thank people for their comment. And it really does help to stimulate engagement on my company page. The last thing I'm going to look at here is mentions. So I'm going to click on 3, and it says I have 3 new mentions. So sometimes I, Brenda Meller, will mention my company in an update. And really cool thing here, guys, you can actually click on this, and this takes me to my individual post on LinkedIn. And I can comment as my company, and I can say something like, we welcome So I can just say something like, we welcome new page followers to our page for more tips like this. And that puts my company page in my homepage feed. It helps to increase visibility for my company. It helps to increase followers. So right now I'm at 2010 followers. I can safely assume that by the end of the day, by putting that in there, and this post gets a lot of engagement, that I will increase my page followers. Now this post I actually just put up just 10 minutes ago. I can already see that I'm getting a little bit of engagement, so I'm going to come back later on. But for now, I'm also, as my company page, I'm going to like everybody's posts that are on this original post. So that's it. I've gone through all of my social notifications. I've looked at reactions, shares, comments, and mentions, and I hope this tip was helpful for you. If you're not already following the Meller Marketing Company page on LinkedIn, I highly recommend you do so for additional tips like these. And also leave a comment on my latest post and tag your company in the comment, and I will be sure to give your company page a follow as well. Again, this has been Brenda Meller. I hope this tip has been helpful for you. Wherever you're watching this video, please take a moment to give it a like and possibly add a comment. If you're following me on YouTube, make sure that you're following my YouTube channel as well. Thank you and have a great day.